Hey guys, welcome to day one of morning markdowns. Now I thought that it would be really fun for you guys to see my planning process in the morning when I'm getting ready for my day. Now I don't know if I'll be doing these daily. I certainly will try, especially if you guys are enjoying this series. Let me know down below if you guys want me to try and do them daily. If not, I'll try and do them at least twice a week, maybe once a week to start with. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by showing you my bullet journal first and what I do in the morning. I typically grab my bullet journal and use it almost like in the end of the evening because I have my tracker in here. I also use this calendar page to keep me on track with my Etsy store. Now today is Monday morning and I know that my bundles ship today, so I have that as a priority today. I also have new releases coming out tomorrow. So I want to write in here new releases. That way I know that I need to prepare for the launch for tomorrow. Now it's not a huge launch, but it is enough that I need to mark that in the calendar. Now I'm also switching up my sticker paper to matte vinyl. So I will probably be doing that all month long. It's going to be a long process. I love the paper, but yeah, definitely going to be a process. I also want to try and research a Shopify store because I will be trying to move my stuff over to the Shopify store. I'll still have Etsy, but I definitely want to open up a Shopify store. Now I don't know if I'll be doing that in April, but I definitely want to research it in April. All right, so it looks like Patty might be joining us for a bit today. She is trying to be sneaky and just sleep behind the tripod here, but you can see her little toes popping through. So let's go ahead and move on to my April tracker. So yesterday was Easter. I did start a new series of daily habits. So I wanted to do it so that I could make these daily from like morning to evening. Now, I'm not going to be so strict to myself. As long as I do get these done throughout the day, I will be happy. So I did actually read in the morning. And then I usually like use the same color pen all the way across, but I'm actually going to try and do the same color pen all the way down this time, especially for filming, because that's going to be a lot of work if I have to change the color of pen every single day. So I did meditate just a bit in the morning, and then I only did a 10-minute workout, but that was a workout nonetheless. I did plan in the morning, and actually, I think I actually planned before I read yesterday morning. I didn't actually do a gratitude. I'm going to do that today, so I'm actually going to go ahead and just mark that. I did answer all of my messages on Etsy and on YouTube. I also posted on Instagram, and then you can see Patty is grooming herself now, so I'm just gonna move her off over here. I also posted on Facebook because I was having an Easter sale. I don't always post on Facebook. I do want to get in the habit of doing that though. I did actually work on orders even though it was Easter Sunday. I didn't really have much to do in the evening, so I wanted to get those done, especially since I have a ton of work to do today. I didn't actually design anything though, but I did film and edit yesterday, so I will write that there. So I'm going to go ahead and gray out the design here. I did that last month, and while I didn't like seeing the whole month almost gray, it is really useful to know which day or what habit I didn't actually accomplish. So that is good. I like that start so far. Now let's fill in our mood tracker. All right, so yesterday was Easter. I was extremely happy because I am with my boyfriend's family now and they celebrate Easter, so I was able to spend it with family. So I'm going to use the blue pen here and I'm just going to insert the little dot in the center there, and then I'm also going to mark day 1. That way I know what day it is and I don't have to count the lines every time I want to color that in. So that is perfect. All right, now moving on to the next page here. This is my Loves of the Month page. I'm not going to be filling this in because I don't want you guys to see what my favorites are until I actually do the video, which I do plan on doing this month. I will fill in my new releases when they do get released, and then I do plan on doing a gratitude journal the whole month. Now, I'm not going to be filming my gratitude journal, but when I do come back for my daily markdowns, I'll show you what I have written down. So that is it for my bullet journal today. Now I also have my Erin Condren life planner, which is actually what I use to keep me on track on a daily basis. So on the left hand side here, I write in my orders. That way I know what day I have done orders. Some days I do them every day, and then some days I just do Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday or Friday, depending. I didn't actually do any on Easter, but the day starts today, so I will be doing orders today. I'm not going to mark that off until I actually do them though. On Monday, which is today, my bundles ship, so I will be very, very busy today. I'm going to write that down here. Tuesday, I have some new releases coming out, so I want to write that down. Wednesday, I don't think I have any real plans. On Thursday, my bundle ends, so you have to sign up before Thursday to get this month's bundle. It's also going to be the last month that it is at $13.95, and next month it will be a little bit more. So I'm going to write bundle ends there. Now I don't think I have anything on Friday. Saturday I'm going to be driving to Maine to see my niece. So I'm going to write that down. All right, and I think that that is good for now. And then for my don't forget part, I think I'm just going to write down my to update my listings because I am moving to matte vinyl paper in my shop, so I want to make sure that I am switching over so I'm not recutting matte removable sticker papers. All right, so let's go ahead and write down here. This kit that I used was actually April's sticker bundle, and it was called Shiny. So I already have this set out in my planner. I believe I showed it during April's sneak peek video of the subscription service. So let's go ahead and write down bundles ship here. Now I'm not going to write anything too fancy because I want to make sure that the video is not too long for you guys. So just keeping that simple there. Now today I'm going to be printing and cutting my bundles, so I'm going to be super busy doing that. I also want to do my orders today because I did have the Easter sale, which is still going on, I believe, today only. So you guys have a chance to get your orders for 25% off today. And then I also want to film and edit. I want to try and film and edit every day, but we'll see how that goes. I usually have some high standards for myself and then fall a little short, so I need to stop doing that. All right, so I'm writing down sale ends today so I don't forget that. And then I also need to take pictures of my new releases for tomorrow's new releases. So that is a handful. Like I said, I have high standards. I want to try and get it all done. Most likely I'll be printing and cutting my bundles all day, and then doing my orders, and then these 3 may actually move on to Tuesday. So that is a look at how I plan for my day. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more of them, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!